Moderate magnitude 5.2 earthquake 157 kilometers southwest of Petropavlovsk, Kamchatka, Russia, on Tuesday 16 February 2021 9:55 p.m. GMT+12. Local time at epicenter, Tuesday 16 February 2021 9:55 p.m. GMT+12, magnitude 5.2, depth 139.0 kilometers, epicenter latitude, longitude 51.99 degrees north, 157.11 degrees east, Kamchatka, Russia. Nearest volcano, Ozernoye, 22 kilometers 14 miles. Weather at epicenter at time of quake, overcast clouds -10.6 degrees Celsius 13 F, humidity 95%, wind 11 meters per second 21 knots from SA. Primary data source, GFZ, German Research Center for Geosciences, estimated released energy, 4 by 1012 joules 1.11 gigawatt-hours, equivalent to 951 tons of TNT.